Hey everybody, welcome back. This is George, Florida Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. Hope everybody's doing okay and they're having fun with your trains. Well, today I got a little something special for you guys. After doing those passenger cars, my buddy Matt from Jeb the Train Kid, he called me, goes, George, you think you could make the Strasburg coach car that's open? And I go, well, man, if we find a file that's available and that it's open for people to use, we'll take a crack at it. And Matt found on Tinkercad a file. Now this train was complete. It was on scale 1-to-1 with the trusses and the wheels. So I got the file, put it on Tinkercad, and went to work at it, and I'm going to show you what I came out with. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let's get to it. Here's a screenshot of it on Tinkercad before I went to work on it. So here it is, the way it came out of the printer. Let me go ahead and clean it up and see how it looks. So after spending about half an hour cleaning it up, this is what it looks like. Came out pretty nice. I like it. A little bit of backstory on this model. Jeb or Matt found it on Thingiverse. Excuse me. And this was a smaller or a bigger model, like a 1-on-1. It had the wheels on, the trusses all printed out. It's like a display type of thing. And so what I had to do was take the wheels off, or erase the wheels on Tinkercad, and that's what I did. And that's what I did. So basically it's impossible to put a screw in here, hold the screw to be able to put the trusses and the wheels. So what I'm thinking is my base that I use for my other set, instead of putting it like this, so you don't have that big gap, or I might design one without these strips, just do a plain base, put your trusses and your wheels, and then either hot glue or put a little screw underneath. Underneath, but I think I would rather hard glue it. In any case, you need to disassemble this model to get to the trusses and wheels. You could always unglue it, and at the end, maybe put a piece of styrene, and that's it. Let me continue, and we'll come back. I'm going to try to remodel this base. There she is, all done. Man, I hope this is what you wanted. It looked nice. It came out really nice. Let me turn it around. This is the other side. And like I said before, trusses there, and then you could just glue. This has and you just glue that there, hot glue it, and you're all set. Well, there she is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, this file is going to be on Tinkercad. Any of you guys got a 3D printer, you want to print these Strasburg cars or Dollywood cars or Disney cars, I guess you can make them into whatever you want. Paint them red, yellow, whatever you want. What I'm going to start doing for Matt, who wants a set of these, is I'm going to print them in the color filament. So I'll print them in yellow filament. The roof I'll print it in black filament, and that way it'll be a lot better instead of painting the whole car and stuff like that. Either way, the files are on Tinkercad. Florida, space, Railroad Dog. You go on Tinkercad. You search Florida Railroad Dog. It'll come up and it'll say 3D circuits, people. If you hit people, it'll be there. Open it up and all the files are there. Hey, happy railroading. Bye.